Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable all notification at once on your Android phone. Okay, first of all, you can open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to open the notification setting. That's one. Tap on the notification setting. Then if you want to disable all notification on your Android phone, you're going to activate the do not disturb mode. So you just need to click on do not disturb. Then you can activate your do not disturb mode right here. Tap on the toggle button. Then you're going to hide the notification. You just need to click on hide notification. Then you're going to click on hide all. Okay, and now the notification on your phone will be blocked and will be hidden from your screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable all notification at once on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.